Okay, the GoPro Startup Saga Part 2. We're talking about a Hero 7 Silver here. Just get the black, dudes. It's 70 bucks more. It's so worth it. And I got this silver now. I'm going to have to either trade it in or get a new black. Use this as my backup. Or go to a Hero 8, which is just all black and no more the stupid, non-intuitive color thing. Gotta give it to GoPro. Boy, they give some good directions. Well, they don't tell a lot of things like simple stuff I'd mentioned about getting the lens cover off. The other thing's downloading this app. I'm filming this with the LG Fortune. It seems like an okay smartphone. It's got a good camera and got all this stuff. Problem is, when I go to the GoPro store and I hit to Google Play, and I hit the GoPro app, it says this device does not support this app. So I go in, I look at my software version, I go on to GoPro, and it says, okay, it's got to be 7. Well, I'm on 6, and apparently I checked and tried to update mine manually. You go into settings, software, check for updates, and update. It says, well, your software's up to date. So apparently what it is this GoPro only works with certain iPhones, a certain Android. Well, that's just freaking retarded. So what they're trying to tell me is, yeah, dude, you can't use your phone. Your perfectly decent otherwise phone probably films as good as this GoPro, but you can't use it to use our GoPro app because it doesn't fit. Now, GoPro Quick will load, but which is weird. You can't load the main GoPro app, but you can load GoPro Quick. And I don't think Quick has the same stuff as the app, so here I am. Do I got to buy a new phone? I mean, how retarded is that? I'm going to try to just put it on my old crappy laptop and run it from there, but I will not have phone control while I'm filming, remotely or on my bike or something. I can't be watching what my video screen says. So that's something to think about. Just another fail in the silver. Just come on, man. That's the info you're giving me. I get it. It's all online or on YouTube. But you'll kill a bunch of trees to give me the legal info in about 900 different languages. Wichtiger product. That's really helpful to me because you know what? It is important to know about Sicherheitsinformationen. That's great to have some wichtige Produkt und Sicherheitsinformationen. Dude, I'd just skip all that commie stuff for one simple set of instructions. You could make a quick start book for one more page and basically say some of this stuff. Like in here, down right here, you could just say, OS 7 required for Android, apps, something or other, Apple iOS or whatever they call it, required. You're going to kill some trees to give me a bunch of legal info, but you're going to skimp on me on a little startup. Okay, that's great. I can look on these web pages or, YouTube, and some of them ain't very helpful. They're just assuming a lot of stuff. I'm trying to think that you should do this to where the stupid person like me or someone who's never used a GoPro can figure this out without having to go to 50 other different sources. So anyhow, that's my little naughty complaint, and I'm sticking to it. See you later for the next thing that goes wrong. Bye now.